Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix AirPods battery not showing on iPhone widget. All right, so let's begin with the video. So in order to fix the issue where your AirPods battery is not showing up on your iPhone widget, you have to follow these steps. If you're unable to see your AirPods battery percentage on your iPhone, there are a few things you can do to solve it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then under My Devices, confirm that your AirPods are connected. Then open that and scroll down. Tap Show and Find My, then use the Remove option at the bottom and enter your Apple ID password if prompted. After doing this, check if the issue is solved. If it's still not working, go back to Settings, then open your AirPods settings, scroll down and select Forget this device, then confirm by tapping Forget Device. After that, reconnect your AirPods by opening the AirPods case near your iPhone and following the on-screen setup steps. Once reconnected, check if the battery percentage appears on the widget. If the problem continues, you should power cycle your iPhone. To do this, press the volume up button, then the volume down button, and then press and hold the side lock button. Keep holding it for about 30 seconds. The screen will go black, and after a while, the Apple logo will appear. When you see the Apple logo, release the button and let your iPhone restart. After the restart, reconnect your AirPods and the battery percentage should now show up on the widget. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix the connection to the server, timed out PlayStation app. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.